welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial for you guys, another DIY tutorial on how to tie one of the best Instagram gele. So this is how you tie this gele for yourself. So guys, I'm using 30-70 system for this tutorial. As you can see, the gele I'm using is the normal gele that we all know. Guys, I believe we all have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please click on the red button to subscribe to my channel. And when you click on that, remember to click on the notification bell as well, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, what I'm doing here is 30-70, like I told you guys. I've pleated already. You can pleat anywhere you want. If you are tying gele for yourself, remember to always tie it at the back. So guys, this system, I've done a tutorial on where I used this same clip to hold my gele. It's just like a second hand to you when you are tying gele for yourself. So you just use it to hold one side that you are finding it difficult to hold. So guys, I'm coming up right now, as you can see on the screen, with the 70 parts of this gele. Just form like 1 or 2 lines of pleats. Then you start your fan. Pleating fan is very simple. Just watch, you understand. It's very easy to pleat. So right now I'm pleating the fan, following it gradually. So you pleat your fan, make sure you are holding the steps as you go down. Make sure you are holding the plate as you go down. So when you get to where you are supposed to, when you feel that is okay, you can now stop there and twist the remaining parts. Twist it holding the plate that you have achieved, the fan that you have achieved. So when you are done twisting it, then you twist the 30 parts that is remaining, the one I hold before with clip. Twist it as well. Then you tie both together. When you are tying it, you have to be very careful with your plates. So guys, what I'm doing now is the 30 parts that is remaining. After tying it, I'm going to use my office pin to hold it at the back. To just safeguard it so that it won't pull out. Then the remaining 70, which is the longer parts of this gele, I will use it for a rose. Which is what I'm forming now. So after forming the rose, I'm going to use same office pin to tag it down. Then I'll do the arrangement on the fans. Arrange it very well so that it will stand. So I'm making the final arrangements on this gele. Arranging my fans to stand. So guys, I believe by now you can tie this gele. This gele is very simple. So I'm going to use my office pin again to pin this particular place. So you just do your final arrangement. That is all for this tutorial. I hope you love this beautiful tutorial. I hope you can tie this gele after watching this video today. Please do drop your comments on the comment section. If there is anything you don't understand about this tutorial, please do not hesitate to drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to reply to your comments. Please remember, when you subscribe to my channel, support me the little you can by not just subscribing, but try to watch my videos, try to share it as well, and then give me a thumbs up. So guys, I hope I tried. This is the final look of this gele. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.